Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing your boat and inventory. You want space and durability, so remove non-essentials. Once done, join a low-population server and position yourself toward the island that spawns the titanium node. This reduces fights and resource loss. Make sure to have a backup flotation plan. Keep a small lifeboat or parachute accessible. You're moving now. Approach the island quickly but cautiously, because timing and placement determine whether you can secure the titanium resource. Once on the island, prioritize angling your craft so you hit shore without destroying your controls. A lightly damaged boat is better than none. Approach the titanium node and start harvesting immediately, while one player focuses on extraction and another watches for hostiles. Teamwork speeds the process and preserves the node. If you must solo, use quick-hit tools and retreat between swings to avoid knockback. You're balancing speed and safety. The faster you extract, the less chance others can steal it. After harvesting, secure the titanium rods into a locked chest or carry them on a protected deck. You don't want to sail unguarded with rare materials. If you're attacked, disengage smartly, drop speed, use evasive maneuvers, and head to a safe island to regroup. Do not try to fight while loaded. If extraction fails, verify tool durability, server lag, and the node's respawn timer, then respawn strategically. A single troubleshooting check often reveals the small fix that keeps your run successful.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.